Yeah. Can you say bye to the people? We're going to end the show. You want to spin that around a little bit before we go? Go ahead. If you can. No? Well, blink the lights real good for us. There's 3.1 on there. 3.0. Blink them real good for us. Say bye-bye. For now. Okay? Go ahead, blink them. Give me 2 blinks and we're going to go. 2 blinks. 1, 2. They got to be real good ones, though. Okay. Thanks.